uh, we have comparing the dead tree and the live tree. See, the live tree is a tree that has leaves and grow well. See, that is the creation of God Jehovah for everybody. See? And the dead tree, see, is no hope to be alive again. that is how the comparing for human being. If you die, you'll never live again, or somebody grow or get out from your inside. That's it. See, the beautiful tree right there. See, that is a comparison. What is the living and what is the dead? See the dead? There are two dead here. See, what you gonna do? That one is you make a firewood to make cook food. See, the green grass that Jehovah gave for you to make beautiful your eyes. See, that's it.